Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So another day, another printing na naman tayo guys. So meron tayong ginawa ngayon. Ito pala ay ano guys, basketball jersey. Yan. Yan yung quality ng printer natin. Yan yung quality ng printer. Yung printer natin is 72 inches na exceed guys. Naka i32 kaya mas mabilis siya mag print. Ito yung ginamit natin ngayon. So yan din yung software niya. Yung software na gamit pala dito is Mentap din. Then connected siya dito. Nakadangle pala to guys. So yan yung quality ng ating printing guys. So dito meron akong tines print guys. Ito na yung output niya. Ito yung test print ng ating basketball jersey. Yan. Yan yung kulay green yung kulay niyan pag na test print na guys. Yan yung quality print. Yan. Fine yung mga logo. Tapos yung design is totally fine. Naka high definition yung guys. Yan na yung output niya ngayon sa ating paper na print natin sa sublimation paper din guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Support. I hope you subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I will do on the spot video for our YouTube channel guys. I hope you subscribe and comment down below for any question na gusto nyong malaman. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.